character, knowledge, confidence. SRK Higher Secondary School, Karikalambakkam.
I love my school, it's okay. Best of the best is okay. Bright future means it's okay. Quality education, it's okay. Knowledge forever, love forever. It's a friend to see for sure. Lovely teachers and for wisdom. What's the culture we will start? I love my school, it's okay. Best of the best is okay. Bright future means it's okay. Quality education, it's okay.
Admission is going on from pre-KG to 12th standard. Group A1A, Maths, Physics, Chemistry, Biology. Group A1B, Physics, Chemistry, Computer Science and Biology. Group A2, Maths, Physics, Chemistry and Computer Science. Group A3, Accountancy, Economics, Commerce and Computer Application. SRK Higher Secondary School, 45/7, Dilliyanur Main Road, Karikalambakkam, Puducherry 7.
Today in our English class, I am going to give revision for a full portion. Students already have written a half portion test. Still you have to write a full portion. Already you have written half portion for first 3 units. Now you have to read other 3 units. The first 3 units is First Flight, a poem Life, Supplementary Reader, The Tempest. Second unit, Supplementary, The Zigzag. Third unit, The Prose, Empowered Woman Navigating the World, poem I Am Everyman. Up to this 3 units, you have written a half portion test. Remaining 3 units, a prose, a tick. Unit 5 prose, The Tech Bloomers. Unit 5 poem, The Secret of the Machines. Unit 6 prose, The Lost Lesson. Remaining three units you have to prepare now. Now you are going to show the question paper. This is our question paper. As per the question paper, we are going to see one by one a synonym, antonym, compound word, prepositional phrase, tense, likewise. No? Now we first see the synonym of the lesson, the article. This is a textual glossary. Students already have asked you to read textual questions only. In this way, we are going to see now the textual glossary. First up, bifurcate, divided into a thing, divided into, revive, to bring some back to life, or another renovative, reformation, likewise. Soothing, make someone feel calm or comfort. Next, rustic, typical of countryside or village. Dilated, widened than usual. You have to remain as widened. Next, ascertain, confirmed or surety, likewise. Overwrought, state of being upset, vexed, annoyed, likewise, do anything. Next, attic, a space or room at the top of a building under the roof. You just remain as under the roof. Next, a crumbled means broken. Spire, a tall pointed structure on top of building, especially on top of a church tower. It simply remain as church tower. Unperturbed, undisturbed or tension free, likewise, you choose anyone. Next, affluent means wealthy, prosperous, rich, you choose anyone. Smash, dive or put forcefully into or onto something. Blow, smack means you remain as blow. Next, this is a textual glossary for the lost lesson. Chirping, making a short, sharp, high-pitched sound. You just remind us a bird or insect sound, the sound of bird. You remind like that. Next, bustle, move in a energetic manner. Just remind us energetic manner. Unison, simultaneous utterance of the words. Unison means you remind us unity. Rapping, striking with a series of rapid audible blows. Just remind us audible blows. Tumble, a book which has been read often and being the marks of frequent handing. Tumbled means a book shows which is often used. Saar, a river in the northern France and western Germany. One of the rivers, Saar means one of the river. Next, the cranky, strange or unusual. We choose anyone. Next, Angelus, a Roman Catholic devotion commemorating the incarnation of Jesus and including the Hail Mary said at morning, noon and sunset. Next, Viola France is an expression used in French to show patriotism. Just you remind us patriotism. This is enough. Next, we go to see antonym of the attic. Still now we have read 3 synonyms from the lesson attic and the last lesson. Now how to read 3 antonym for the lesson attic and the last lesson. In this way, the first antonym, listen, students, 2 kind of students they are using where to success publication and dawn publication. Students, you use what you read in school time. If you use where to success, you read and follow that. If you use dawn guide, we have to follow dawn guide. Don't confuse and don't change reading of your guide. So what you used in class, you use now like that. In this way, the first antonym, soothing. Soothing means disturbing. In soothing, in synonym, we saw comfort. Now, in antonym, disturbing. Next, we had reached a point where the road bifurcate. Bifurcate means join. In antonym, but in synonym we see divided. Third, dash many changes will be reconcilable anymore. Reconcilable means unreconcilable in antonym. Try to revive old childhood memories. Revive means suppress in antonym, but in synonym we see renovative, reformation and reform like that, but in antonym revive means suppress. Next, dash now over 60, a little rustic in appearance. Rustic means cultured in opposite, but we say in synonym cultured means rustic means cultured in opposite. All of them stop. Students, we have 14 1 marks, 3 synonyms, 3 antonyms. Now, just now we read synonym, antonym. Now we are going to learn other part of 1 mark. In this way, the first singular and plural. The questions will be asked whatever may be. The questions may be a singular will be given asked to change in plural, or the plural will be given asked to be changed in singular. Here the question, what is the plural form of the given words? The chair is a singular. The plural form of chair is chairs, because a single noun, if you read a single noun, you have to add s for change into a plural form. In this way, boxes, second box, the singular form is boxes. Eskimos plural form is eskimos. Lady, the lady plural form is ladies. Radius plural form is ready. Formula, plural form is formulae. Child, the plural form of child is children. Next, deer. A deer is a singular. Likewise, plural in deer, not change as deer of, deers, dearest. No changes in singular and the plural. If singular is deer, as well as plural in deer. Loaf, in ninth one, loaf is singular. The plural form of loaf is loaves. Hero, 10th one, hero. Hero is a singular. The plural form of hero is heroes. We see a prefix. Attach a prefix to the word given from the list below to complete the sentence. Here, most villages area still dash literated. We already know what is prefix, what is suffix. Prefix, you have to change, add a word in front or before. In suffix, you have to back in this way. Now here we see prefix literated. Here means illiterated. The prefix of literated is illiterated. The umpire will dash qualify, you qualify, disqualify. He has dash natural power. It's natural. Prefix is supernatural. Dash urban train are running late. Urban is suburban. Dash nutrition is common among today's children. Nutrition, malnutrition. Your calculation is dash accurate, accurate, inaccurate. Do not dash understand me, understand, misunderstand. Do not indulge in dash practice, practice, malpractice in prefix. He is studying dash technology, technology, biotechnology in prefix. Tom is very dash different towards others, different, indifferent in prefix. There is a dash national hockey match today, national, international in prefix. He is an dash origin of New Zealand, origin, aborigine in prefix. Next. We have seen a prefix. Now we see suffix. Suffix, a word add in back of the word. We have great admire for our teacher, admire. Admiration in suffix. The arrive of second one, arrival. Second one, the arrive dash of the trains is not known. Arrival in suffix. His careless dash is not tolerable. Carelessness in suffix. The project was an utter failure in suffix. The include of meta in the team is a surprise. Inclusion. The intense of the heat is unbearable. Intensity in suffix. No punish dash will be given. Punishment in suffix. His child dash is memorable. Childhood in suffix. He has the able to complete the work. Ability in suffix. The doctor sent the patient for the blood examination in suffix. Fashion dash clothes are sold here. Fashionable in suffix. There is a lot of enjoy in a joint family. enjoy, enjoyment in suffix. My brother has established dash himself as an industrialist, established in suffix. His style is a slave imitation of his teachers, slavish in suffix. See abbreviation and acronyms. Which of the following is the correct expansion of SIM? Subscriber Identity Model is the answer. ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization. WHO, World Health Organization, option B. CCTV, closed circuit television, option C. HDMI, high definition multimedia interface, option A. Laser, light amplification by stimulated emission of radiation, option B. Multiple resonance imaging, option C. Next, 8. Cry, child rights and you, option A. 9th, ROM, read only memory, option B. 10th, CPU, central processing unit, option C. 11th, ALU, arithmetic logic unit, option B. Compound words, you know well, compound words, two words jointly give a new meaning, this is called a compound word. This is first, rainfall. So answer is rainfall. The compound word of rain is fall, so rainfall. Next, snowball equal snowball. Next, third, starlight. Next, draw back. Next, fifth, plaything. Next, sixth, lottery ticket. Seventh, underworld. Eighth, manhole. Ninth, sidewalk. 10th, footnote. Prepositions are word which is used to connect different nouns, pronouns, phrase, that is called preposition. In this way, we see first one, the work will be over dash this evening. Answer is option C, by evening. Next, the papers are to be prepared dash a month. Option A, within a month. Third, my uncle will visit me dash May, in May. Ravi stayed with his uncle dash 6 months. For 6 months, there is not enough space dash the desk and bench. Between, answer is between. Arrange the things properly dash the classes commence. Arrange the things properly before the class commence. Commence means start. They selected me for the job only dash merit. On merit. The poor man walked dash the street. Along the street. What that dash I came. Wait there dash I came. Wait until I came. The color dash the blackboard is black. The color of the option is A, the color of. Next topic is tense. I have taught you 12 tenses. Students, you will prepare all the tenses, but here I am going to show some tenses because in enough of time. In this way, the first, I dash to her place on food. Answer is had gone. Second, the children dash in the ground when the teacher arrived. Answer is children were playing, because if when is present in a sentence, after the when should be in simple past. Before the when, the tense should be in past continuous. In this way, here when is present, so after the when arrived is a simple past. Before the when, we have to use past continuous tense. So here were playing is the answer, because children is the plural form. So were playing is correct answer. Next, third, they dash him when the manager arrived. Were requesting, was requesting, had requesting, requested. Were requesting is the answer, because if when is present in a sentence, after the when should be a simple past tense, arrived. Likewise, the above sentences arrived. Before when, we have to use past continuous tense. In this way, were requested here used, because there is plural form in the past tense. So where is used. So answer is were requesting. Next, called main class. In this main class, would have plus V3. If would have plus V3 present in main class, the if class should be had plus V3. So has worked, not answer. Just worked past tense. Had been worked is not an correct answer. Had worked is correct answer. Option B, had worked. Because would plus have plus verb 3 if present in main class, the if class answer is had plus V3. So had worked is V3. So had plus V3, had worked is right answer. Next, fifth, Jonah and Joy dash already dash leave for Ooty when others reach the station. Listen, here answer is had left, because already is the keyword for past perfect. Past perfect form of the past perfect is for all subject had plus V3. In this way, had and left is correct answer. The keyword is already. If already is present in a sentence, your option should be had plus V3. That is the correct answer. So had and left, leave, left. So had left is answer. We all dash sing in the choir last week. Here sang is sing, sung, sings. The answer is sang, because here the last week is last week, last month, last day, last year. These are keywords for simple past tense. So sang is the simple past tense. This is the correct answer. Is singing is a present continuous. Sung is past participle. Sings is a present tense. So last week is for past tense keyword. So I have chosen here sang. Nancy dash always ask for help. Option is was asking, because already I have told always is for past continuous keyword. Next, eighth, the office goer wait for the train. Answer is waited. We see linker. Linker is a word which is used to connect two sentences without changing the meaning. So the first one, the project was failure dash the planning was fault. Answer is option B, since. You will be forgiven dash you promise not to repeat if. Answer A, if. Third, that is dash I meant, that is what I meant. This is a relative pronoun. Already I have taught relative pronoun. You also revised that. Next, fourth one, she is a girl dash lost her parents. She is the girl who lost her parents. Fifth, this is the reason she was late. This is the reason why she was late, because the reason, if the reason came, you have to use why. If the time given, you have to use when. Likewise, you remind the keywords well. Third, that is dash the event took place. Place means where. Already I have told. If given place, you choose where. Given time, you choose when. Given reason, you choose why. In this way, in sixth sentence, that is dash the event took place. Here using place, so choose where. Dash Jack Jill is invited. Besides mean addition. So addition Jack Jill 2 is invited. Eighth, she has been upset dash the accident. She has upset since the accident. Ninth, I know the place dash he was born. Already the place already given. The place given, you choose the answer where. So in this way, I know the place where he was born. 10th, look both ways dash you cross the road. Answer is before. Look both ways before you cross the road. Thank you, students. The remaining part I will teach in my next.
ஒரே லட்சியம் எங்கள் கண்ணிலே நிறைவேறிடும் அந்த நாளிலே உலகம் போற்றிடும் எங்கள் பள்ளியே எஸ்ஆர்டி. கல்வி பண்புகளை கண்ணின போற்று கலைகள் யாவையும் கைவசமாக்கு பள்ளியின் பெயரை கேட்டால் சொல்லு எஸ்ஆர்டி. ஒரே லட்சியம் எங்கள் கண்ணிலே நிறைவேறிடும் அந்த நாளிலே உலகம் போற்றிடும் எங்கள் பள்ளியே எஸ்ஆர்டி. கல்வி பண்புகளை கண்ணின போற்று கலைகள் யாவையும் கைவசமாக்கு பள்ளியின் பெயரை கேட்டால் சொல்லு எஸ்ஆர்டி.
Admission is going on from pre-KG to 12th standard. Group A1A Maths, Physics, Chemistry, Biology. Group A1B Physics, Chemistry, Computer Science and Biology. Group A2 Maths, Physics, Chemistry and Computer Science. Group A3 Accountancy, Economics, Commerce and Computer Application. SRK Higher Secondary School, 45/7, Dillianur Main Road, Karikalambakkam, Puducherry 7.